Hi loved ones, my name is Siren and welcome to my meditation space where I will bring you music, movement, and mantras for peace of mind. Today we're going to be going over the counting anchor method, which is a series of breathing and meditation exercises that will allow us to lengthen the breath, deepen the breath, and focus our attention on the breath. Each session will be about 3 minutes long and is the perfect introduction for absolute beginners as well as for meditators at all levels with limited time. We're going to be using 3 tools for our practice today, and that is a tall posture, a deep breath, and our concentration. You can do this practice either in a seated position or lying down. The methodology behind this exercise is based on our average rate of breathing. The average adult breathes 12 cycles per minute, which is about 2 seconds on the inhale and 3 seconds on the exhale. At each level of this method, we're going to extend the length of each breath, bringing the breathing rate down to fewer cycles per minute. So how is this meditative? Actively controlling the breath is a common and effective method for meditation because we are always breathing, so focusing our attention on the breath brings us to the present moment. In our counting anchor method, a simple count that aligns with each breath serves as a predictable and dependable object to focus our mind and can be used as an anchor to bring our thoughts back to when the mind wanders. For this level, we're going to count up to 3 on the inhale, hold full for a moment, and then count down from 3 on the exhale, holding empty for a moment. Each breath, along with the holds, will be about 20 seconds long, so we will have about 3 cycles per minute. As we are doing this exercise for 3 minutes, that will be a completion of 9 breath cycles. Our only goal, especially for absolute beginners, is simply to get through the 3 minutes, staying in our seated position or our lying down position, and doing our very best, whatever that means for you today. The 2 biggest challenges for this exercise will be finding a rhythm with our breath and keeping our mind focused. To find the rhythm for our breath, it may take a few sessions to practice fitting the breath with the count. We're going to have to find the speed of which to inhale to feel full by that 3rd count, holding comfortably for a moment, and then we'll have to find the speed of the exhale until we feel empty. For maintaining our attention throughout this exercise, when we are still, so many thoughts and feelings can arise. When this happens, I invite you to be patient and compassionate with yourself. Simply observe the thoughts and do your best to use the count to refocus your mind. Once you try this meditation, please let me know down in the comments below how it went for you, or let me know about your meditation practice in general so that I can continue to provide guided meditations that can be helpful for you. If you did find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you know anyone that would benefit from this meditation, please share. Thank you so much. Now let's begin. If you are seated, let's find a tall posture. If you are laying down, let's find a long posture. Allow yourself to settle. Feel the spine long. Feel the crown of your head reach up and away from center. Excellent. Now let's find a deep breath. Just notice what it feels like to breathe. Maybe slowing down the breath. Deepening the breath. Excellent. Go ahead and close your eyes and let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold full. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold empty. Relax and breathe normally. To close our session, we're going to open the palms wide. On the next inhale, we'll circle the arms up. Once the palms connect, we'll exhale, bring the hands down towards the heart. Go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you through this meditation today. The light in me recognizes the light in you. Namaste.